Since 1952, this Army Dog Breeding Center and Training School in Rawalpindi has trained hundreds of animals to undertake challenging tasks such as tracking, mine detection, narcotics sniffing, arms and explosive search and rescue. Arab News will take you inside the center to show how these dogs are trained and what kind of special tasks they can perform. So let's head in.
At the moment, we are training more than 200 to 300 dogs of different categories. We have 9 different courses. So for each course, we require different attributes from the dog. Like in guard dog, we required aggression. Like for sniffer, we require agility plus nose work. So the work depicts the type of the dogs we require.